In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete an email from Google Workspace. Let's jump right into your Google Workspace Gmail inbox. The goal here is simple. Select the messages you don't need and send them to the trash. First, look along the left edge of your message list. You'll see a small checkbox next to each email. Click the checkbox for the email you want to remove. If you're tidying up a few messages at once, go ahead and click several checkboxes. As a helpful tip, you can select a continuous range by clicking the first messages checkbox, then holding Shift and clicking the last one in the group. If you're dealing with a crowded inbox, it can also help to narrow things down with the search bar before you start selecting, so you're checking only what you truly want gone. Once you've checked at least one email, look to the toolbar that appears above your message list. The delete option will become active there. It's represented by a small trash can icon. Move your cursor to that icon and click it. If the trash can looks inactive or grayed out, that simply means no emails are currently selected. Go back and make sure those checkboxes are marked. After you click the delete icon, Gmail will confirm the move with a brief on-screen message, and your selected emails will be sent to the trash folder. A quick note on what delete means here. In Google Workspace Gmail, deleted messages aren't immediately and permanently erased. They're moved to trash first. By default, messages in trash are automatically purged after a set retention period, commonly around 30 days, though your organization's administrator may set a different policy or legal hold. That means, if you made a quick mistake, you typically have a bit of time before those emails are gone for good. You may also see a short-lived undo option pop up right after deletion, which can be handy if you change your mind immediately. If your goal is simply to clear your inbox without removing the message from your account, remember that archiving is different from deleting. Deleting moves the message to trash, while archiving keeps it available in all mail. Today, though, we're focusing on delete, and the process really is just two actions. Select the email with its checkbox, then click the trash can icon at the top. That's all there is to it. A clean inbox starts with quick, confident selections and one click on the delete icon. Thanks for watching, and take a moment to practice on a few non-essential messages so the process becomes second nature.